In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Affirm payment 2025, step by step. We're walking through how to cancel a scheduled payment in your Affirm account with clear checks and tips so you know exactly what to expect. This process is for canceling a single upcoming withdrawal, not closing your loan or canceling your entire plan. First, timing is everything. Affirm allows you to cancel a scheduled payment up to 3 days before the payment date. If you're inside that 3-day window, the payment may already be preparing to process and the cancel option can be unavailable. In that case, let that one go through and plan changes for a future installment instead. Start by signing in to your Affirm account on the mobile app or on the web using your normal login. Once you're in, go to the Manage area. This is the hub where your active purchases and payment plans are listed. Choose the specific purchase you want to work with. Each purchase has a planned timeline that lays out your past payments and the upcoming ones. Take a moment to find the exact scheduled payment you want to cancel. Double check the date and amount so you don't cancel the wrong installment. When you've located the correct upcoming payment, tap or click Cancel. You'll see a confirmation prompt so you can review the change. Read it carefully. You're canceling a scheduled withdrawal for that installment only. Your loan stays open, and your due dates and interest obligations still apply. You're responsible for making the payment by the due date if you still owe it. You're just stopping that automatic pull. Confirm that you want to cancel. After confirmation, the payment should disappear from the list of upcoming withdrawals for that plan. You may see a success message and, in many cases, receive an email or notification confirming the cancellation. If it doesn't update immediately, refresh the page or close and reopen the app to reload your account details. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. If you use autopay, canceling one scheduled payment doesn't permanently turn autopay off. It only affects that single installment. If the cancel button isn't showing, check the calendar. Being fewer than 3 days away from the payment date is the most common reason. Consider setting a reminder to make a manual payment by the due date so you stay current and avoid any negative impact. And keep a screenshot or the confirmation email for your records just in case you need proof of the change later. That's all you need to do to cancel a scheduled Affirm payment confidently and on time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process simple and stress-free.